What's up, guys? It's Rolando, your credit coach, with another weekly tip. And this week I'm talking about, is there life after filing bankruptcy? Right, guys, you tapped out, you couldn't handle it anymore, you had to file bankruptcy, and yes, your credit is gonna get damaged, and it will most likely be there for 10 years, but that's not the end of the world. The good thing is you have no more debt, you're done. What comes next? What comes after filing bankruptcy? Well, for starters, believe it or not, it's a lot easier for you to get credit after bankruptcy. Here's why. You can't file a second bankruptcy till after 8 years. So any debt that you consume, guess what? That law is not there anymore to protect you. You have to repay this debt one way or the other. The creditors know this, so it'll be easier for you to get credit after filing bankruptcy. But it'll come at a higher cost. You are gonna pay higher interest rate because you're gonna have that black mark there on your credit report. But there is life after filing bankruptcy. But I advise you guys, please guys, be very, very careful with debt, because I met with someone earlier that filed bankruptcy 4 years ago and needs to file bankruptcy again, but he can't. So he has to pay back this debt one way or the other. So be very, very careful. And the tip of the day is, if you file bankruptcy, see debt as something negative and see your credit as a tool to live a little bit better.